Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering prerequisites and taking immediate action. Install a modern browser, permit camera, and microphone access, and sign in to Teachable Machine. Once done, create a new project and pick image, audio, or pose. This choice defines input per processing and model size. Make folders with at least 30 varied samples per class so the model generalizes. At this stage, you're not tweaking architecture. You're creating reliable, labeled data, the foundation that determines model performance. Next, focus on detailed execution. Collect balanced samples and apply augmentation, flip images, add noise, vary lighting, because diverse data reduces overfitting. Make a sensible train/validation split, typically 80/20, and choose a transfer model size that matches device constraints. Smaller for edge, larger for accuracy. Then start training and watch the loss and accuracy curves. If validation lag rises, stop and adjust data or learning rate. Make sure to save. Finally, export and deploy. Choose TensorFlow. JS for web, TensorFlow Lite for mobile, or Keras for custom pipelines. Pick based on target performance. Integrate the model, then test with live inputs to measure latency and real-world accuracy. Make sure responses are stable under varied conditions. If results are poor, one key troubleshooting tip: examine and expand your dataset for problematic classes, then retrain with adjusted augmentation or a lower learning rate. This often fixes misclassifications more effectively than architecture changes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.